Good morning, Methuen High. During this video, we will discuss how we as a district can help support each other and the peers around us. Having a tight-knit community with the same mindset and passion for mental health literacy has proved to be monumental for many of us, and we want to expand this to the entire school community.
The topics we will review are counseling stigma, counseling resources, confidentiality, unique circumstances and cultural considerations, signs a friend may need help, social and emotional learning and mental health literacy program, what is the Mental Health Parent and Student Advisory Council, and what we do. Counselors are available throughout the school day and can be contacted in person or through email. Simply go to their offices or reach out in any way you feel comfortable and they will get you the help you are looking for. Counseling staff will not share your personal information with others. Your conversations with the counseling staff are confidential. If you don't feel comfortable going to your counselor, you can talk to a trusted adult at any time, as they are trained to get you the support you might need.
Counseling resources. One resource that the counseling staff utilizes are school-wide surveys. MPS students take part in mental health screenings twice a year. The results give counselors the opportunity to assess school-wide and individual levels of need. When students fill out these self-reported screeners, counselors follow up with each student based on reported levels of need. MPS school counselors offer individual and group counseling as needed. Students or families seeking individual or group counseling can reach out to their school counselor. If a student is ever in a crisis situation, they should immediately go to the counseling office and speak with a trusted adult. Regardless of what class they are in, counselors can help them access the services they need. MPS is also partnered with multiple mental health services to ensure the unique needs of every student are met. Counselors are able to make referrals for outside services such as the Massachusetts Behavioral Helpline, which connects individuals and families to a wide range of culturally responsive services in the community around mental health and substance abuse. Care Solace, an agency that matches students with a diverse range of community-based mental health services. Care Solace has a national database of mental health providers, which significantly decreases wait time for care. This service can be accessed by any student, parent, or staff to quickly access a necessary service. Cartwheel Care, an online telehealth provider based around mental health care. Cartwheel provides students flexibility in accessing care in a way they feel most comfortable. Contact your counselor if you have any question about what these services provide. Furthermore, MPS wants to ensure that all students feel comfortable with the counseling office. If that's not your own counselor, you can always ask to meet with someone else. The school will do whatever they can to support you.
Students are called to the counseling office all the time for many different reasons. It is important to emphasize that your privacy matters, and counselors will only disclose information with parents and staff that you choose. In order for you to get the counseling services, counselors do need consent from your parents or guardians. However, unless you are a danger to yourself or others, counselors will not share details with them. In cases where abuse or neglect is reported, counselors are obligated to involve other adults in addressing those concerns. You have a voice in this process. If a decision is made to involve your parents or guardians, you can be present and sit with the counselor. This ensures that you, the student, are aware of the information being shared in the rare occasions that it becomes necessary to inform your parents or guardians regarding something that is discussed in counseling sessions. Methuen Public Schools prioritizes the voice and privacy of all students.
Each individual member of our community brings something unique and different to the table. You decide what you need in the counseling office. If there are specific cultural considerations you'd like your counselor to be aware of before working with you or your family, please let them know. Counselors can also connect students with outpatient service providers that have expertise in different cultural backgrounds. See your counselor to get the support that you need at the Methuen Counseling Office. Unfortunately, there is often a stigma associated with seeking help, especially for individuals from certain racial ethnic identities, cultural backgrounds, gender identities, faith traditions, those who are heavily involved in sports or activities, and more. Please know that your voice and experience matters, and counselors are here to help. The best way for a counseling staff to help you is if you seek help yourself.
What are the signs that a friend may need assistance? Recognizing when a friend might need support is crucial for maintaining their well-being. If you notice them feeling down, withdrawing from social activities, or engaging in risky behaviors, it could be a sign that they're struggling. Additionally, sudden and unexplained fear, changes in eating patterns leading to significant weight fluctuations, or experiencing hallucinations and delusions may indicate a deeper issue. Keep an eye out for signs of substance abuse, drastic mood swings, or disruptions in their usual behaviors and sleeping habits. Moreover, if they find it challenging to focus, express intense worries that interfere with their daily life, or talk about self-harm, it's essential to intervene and offer assistance. In any of these situations, being there for your friend and seeking professional help, if necessary, can make a significant difference in their recovery journey.
Social-emotional learning, SEL, strengthens academic learning while fostering qualities such as empathy, self-awareness, and respect. The benefits of SEL are broad and long-lasting. SEL has shown to increase academic engagement, test scores, self-regulation skills, and overall wellness, while decreasing disruptive behaviors in the classroom. SEL is district-wide. By implementing Trails SEL, schools leaders can foster a positive learning environment while building a shared language around mental health for all students and staff. Some partnerships and collaborations that strengthen a positive learning environment are the NAN Project. The NAN Project works to promote mental health awareness and suicide prevention programs for young people using a peer-to-peer model. Signs of Suicide, or SOS, is an evidence-based youth suicide prevention program that teaches middle and high school students how to identify warning signs of suicide and depression. NAMI, the National Alliance on Mental Illness, is the nation's largest grassroots mental health organization dedicated to building better lives for the millions of Americans affected by mental illness.
The Mental Health Parent and Student Advisory Council, otherwise known as MHPSAC, is a collaboration between staff and students that is centered around improving the Methuen public school community. Our purpose and intent is to give students and parents a voice regarding the mental health initiatives in Methuen. The goals of the MHPSAC will be to identify steps to reduce stigma related to mental health problems, promote health and well-being through increased awareness and prevention, improve students' access to mental health services and supports, and continue to strengthen our community regarding mental health. Through these goals, the MHPSAC aims to create a supportive environment that prioritizes mental health in Methuen.
What has the advisory group done to support the district? Every grade level in MHS received a presentation in the form of a game show. We plan on continuing this every year for every grade level. We find it important to educate students on mental health literacy from a young age, meaning that we have to have tough conversations with parents, students, and teachers. However, we want to ensure that this advisory group continues to help and support the entire district.
Every Methuen public school student can access support from the counseling department for problems large and small. Counselors do not just assist students with post-secondary planning and academics. All counselors are licensed professionals who provide free, confidential counseling services to students to address mental health concerns, personal problems, conflict, and crisis. If you are struggling with a personal issue, need help supporting a friend, or simply need advice about how to manage a stressful situation, please reach out to the counseling department.